to get a word.
Brandon Cutler, congratulations on a big win. And speaking of wins, since you've introduced the Dragon to the United Wrestling Network, you have been unbeaten. What does this win streak mean to you?
You know, I used to think it was real cute, the phrase, fail forward. But that phrase and any like it are poison for your mind. You see, it makes you complacent, mediocre, and mundane. I've taken on a new mentality, and as you've noticed, I've gone undefeated with it. I have taken mundane and created a masterpiece. I will be victorious. I will win. I will rise, and I will reign!